Hello friends, this is Sharmi with the Amateur Gardener, back to you with another video today. We are going through a huge cleanup of our garden and we managed quite a sizable area, but still there's a lot to do. I'm going to be planting my pots today. These are pots that I have been using for the last 5 years. I may do a brush up of the exterior of the pots, but they are still solid, still look great. A couple of them were added 2 years ago, but we'll go take you through the process. Oh, just to show you that my peonies are looking great. This one still to come out, but I can see the heads poking up. And these are the pots that I was talking about. I emptied them yesterday, and this one has dahlias in it. You can see some tubers. I have to cover them. But I'm hoping that they survived and they'll be coming out. But these are the pots that I have emptied, about half of them. This one is not fully filled with soil. This is like a huge pot. It has like an upside down pot inside it, and then the rest is covered with soil. So all the soil that I picked is here. I usually just recycle the soil, so this one I'll put in one of my big like beds, and that should be churned with earthworms and everything and be turned into like regular soil again. I will not use these in any of the raised beds or in any like pots or planters. I wanted to share with you a plant that I recently bought. It's a blueberry. It's, I think, my darling or something like that is the name. This is actually from Southern Living Plant Collection. I'll put up the name. But this has so many blueberries. It's more like a tree, and it's a self-pollinating blueberry. My younger son loves blueberries, so he was very excited to see this plant. Another thing that I wanted to share with you all is the first peony of the season for me. This one is an Oompa Loompa. I think it's cotton candy peony, something like that. I'll put the name up, and it's looking so beautiful amongst the sea of Homestead verbena. Some of my roses have also started blooming. This one is a Julia Child. And then we have some Munstead Wood. These Munstead Woods are David Austin roses for people that don't know it. This one is an Orchid Romance. And as you can see underneath the tree roses, I have all the salvia planted. There's nothing much going on here. I plan to probably put some vegetables or something else here. I have some cabbage left that I plan to plant here. Have a couple of hibiscus here. That one is a vanilla cream. That one is a proven winner's hibiscus. That's already leafed out. Oh, and this one is starting to leaf out. Here, you can see it. That one is a Midnight Marvel. The roses are starting to completely fill up this arch. These were some of the flowers that were left over from my winter pots that I decided to plant here. Again, the other arch. These are huge arches. These are like, I think it's 110 inches high. And these are all wrought iron arches, so they are very, very sturdy. Okay, so we have finished most of the work for this long spring break weekend, and just taking you along. It's already dark. I have the outdoor lights on. We installed the outdoor lights. That is one of the best things we could have done. But I planted some anemones here. We'll see when they come out. Some bulbs. Not bulbs, actually. They're called corms. Then I've planted the planters. So we put some Supertunia. This thing is, I think, tiara pink. And then this is hoopla vivid orchid with some Euphorbia, as well as some truffula pink Gomphrena and some cleomes, the pink cleomes. They come in white and pink. These are all Provenvener's plants. I typically always do the pink one instead of the white one. So same setup on each side. I replenished part of the soil in these big large planters. These have dahlias in them, and then we set up drip irrigation for most of the plants, the trees, the tropical trees in the back. And then this is my seed petunia, another seed petunia that came on its own. And then these are cabbages. This area has been cleaned up. It's not much to see at night, but most of it looks really nice right now. And let me show you my amaryllis. They look really pretty. These are some of the gerbera daisies. The red ones are also showing up. I have some red, orange, yellow, pink, and then some bicolor ones as well here. Oh, the Althea is waking up. Okay. The hydrangea, the macrophylla ones have leafed out or are leafing out, but the paniculata ones, they take much longer to leaf out. Some of them are fully asleep still. This was a quick view of what we have done so far in the garden. Hopefully you enjoyed the very quick overview. I wish I could have done the outro when there was more light, but it is what it is. We kind of are wrapping up the whole spring break week, and then I'll probably shoot another video next weekend when we plan to start some intense work on the walkways. That's all for now. Until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.